All right, subscribers and fellow YouTubers, I need assistance. I hate asking, but I've done everything I could think of to make this right, and I'm not sure where to go. Let's discuss the timing real quick, how it's set up, and if it's correct. First off, what I understand is the little dot right there. Needs to line up with the one with the dot right there. There's a dot on there, trust me. And as you can see, it lines up. I mean, it might be off like a couple millimeters, but that's lining up to me. The camshaft sprocket is the dowel pin is on the 3 o'clock position. The top dead center for the number 1, these have to be closed, and I'm pretty sure that is closed. They're equal. This one's opening up, but these are closed. And the screwdriver technique, you're touching the piston right there. And also, I stuck a camera in there. You'll see right now, it's just a picture. Of the piston. All right. From what I understand, that timing is correct. This is an 03 Yukon XL 1500 5.3 liter L59 engine. And that is top dead center for this vehicle, and the timing's correct. I've got new injectors, new coils all around. Spark plugs are new. I mean, they're only like 2 months old. And I'm still, even with, I'm checking this to make sure it's right. Now I know it's right. I didn't change anything. I know it's right. With new injectors, new coils, something's wrong. One other thing. When I ran it the other day, earlier, this was 175, 170, and around 170. This is 90 degrees, temperature-wise. All 4 of these over here were like 65. I've checked the plug wires. I've checked the harness wire, the coil wires, and the injectors for crank power. So when you turn it over to accessory, it's getting power. But when you crank it, it's getting power too. The only way I checked it was with, I guess it's just a voltage tester. And it all came up, 12 volts, hot, DC. I was like, great. Here's the spark plug. Here's the spark plug outer number 1. This spark plug has been in there the whole time since I've started the engine. It's been months. It ran for 10 minutes. This thing doesn't even look used. And I know spark is getting to the injector and the coil on number 1. I don't know what's going on, and that's my question. I need a direction. Do you need more information? Let me know, and I'll give it to you. But make a comment, ask a friend, and, let me know what you guys think. I'm sorry to come to you like this, but I don't know where to go. So go ahead and leave a comment, and thanks for listening, and hope to talk to you soon.